All right, what we're going to do now is take this basic round bead and we're going to apply some Frit. Remember, Frit is crushed up pieces of glass. The glass that I have is a neon green and a bright orange. What you want to do is heat your base bead until it's that honey-like consistency. You want to keep spinning your mandrel so that it doesn't melt off the rod. And you're going to heat your bead so that it's tacky enough to roll onto the Frit and pick up pieces of the glass. And you can continue to roll your bead in the Frit for as long as it stays that orange color and stays tacky enough to pick it up. What we're going to do is take this bead covered in Frit very slowly back into the flame. And we're going to melt the Frit in. Again, just like always, when you're melting glass, you want to make sure that you continue to spin the mandrel, to rotate the mandrel, because glass wants to be round. And what I'm going to do right now is let this cool off just a little bit, and hopefully you can see a black base bead covered with different colors of Frit.